Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need to act fast. If the install has started, disconnect the charger and turn off Wi-Fi to halt network activity. Next, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and look for the iOS 26 update file so you can remove it. Once you find it, use Delete Update to stop automatic reinstallation. This prevents the device from continuing to apply the package. Make sure to keep the screen awake, so the remove action completes without the phone sleeping or locking. If the update persists or the delete action failed, force restart your iPhone with the device-specific button combo now to interrupt the installer. Then connect to a Mac or PC and enter recovery mode so Finder or iTunes detects a device needing attention. Once detected, choose Restore to wipe the partial install and return to a stable firmware, or Update only if you want the OS but it failed mid-install. I explain why. Restore clears corrupted files. Update attempts repair without data loss, but can fail. Once the restore or update finishes, walk through initial setup and check settings about to confirm your iOS version, making sure iOS 26 is not partially installed. If the phone boots into a loop, try Device Firmware Update, DFU mode via a computer using a reliable cable. DFU is deeper than recovery and resolves stubborn installs. If anything goes wrong, restore from your backup. Finally, disable automatic updates and remove downloaded installers so the system doesn't attempt iOS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.